Hydronozzle, the pressure washer that's been making waves online. Promising industrial-strength power in a compact, budget-friendly tool. But is it legit or just clever marketing? Let's find out. According to its official website, the Hydronozzle can clean just about anything, driveways, patios, fences, even your car, in under 5 minutes. With claims of 10x faster cleaning, multiple spray patterns, and professional grade results without paying for a service, it sounds too good to be true. And maybe it is. The website is packed with 5-star reviews, but none are from verified buyers. And when you dig into the wording, it gets fishy, reviews saying it works great, with no details and many sounding eerily similar. It's a classic red flag for fake testimonials. Real users give real specifics. Then there's the eye-catching before and after photos. Powerful, right? Except, many of them are actually stock images used on other websites. Reverse image searches reveal they've been recycled, meaning they're not from actual Hydronozzle users. That's not just misleading, it's dishonest. The site also uses every high-pressure trick in the book, countdown timers, only 7 left warnings, and 50% off if you buy now. These urgency tactics are designed to push impulse purchases, not help you make an informed decision. And let's not forget the buzzwords: military grade, revolutionary, ultimate power. Sounds impressive. But where's the proof? And here's where it gets worse. Many customers say the product didn't live up to the hype, and getting a refund? Nearly impossible. Customer service often ghosts people, refunds are delayed for months, and since it ships from China, returns are complicated and expensive. The Hydronozzle might seem like a miracle gadget, but between fake reviews, questionable marketing, and poor customer service, it's hard to recommend. If you're still considering it, proceed with caution, and definitely use a payment method with buyer protection. Have you tried the Hydronozzle or similar product? Drop your experience in the comments. Your story might help someone avoid a bad buy. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more honest product breakdowns. Thanks for watching, stay sharp and shop smart.